In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you enable iMessage on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Messages. Once you find it, launch it. Then scroll down. Now you're going to find the option of iMessage over here. Enable for this option. Now you're going to get this option Send and Receive. Click on that. Make sure your phone number and Apple ID email are selected. This ensures you can send and receive iMessage on all your Apple devices. Then you can close this and launch your messaging app. Search for the contact to whom you want to send a message. Then type in your message and send it. If the text bubble turns blue, iMessage is enabled successfully. And that's it. That's how you enable iMessage on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.